This video will show you how to create a profile that will eventually be used to create your vertical alignments later on. So the first thing I like to do is to create a blank MicroStation file that will only be used for profiles. So the first thing we're going to do is create a MicroStation file that will be called profiles. So let's, within MicroStation, go to File, New. Within your rotation example project folder that should be located on your desktop, we're going to create that file and call it profiles. You can continue to use the road design 2D seed file, and we're going to press save. Once that file is created, you'll see that it's blank. And then we can open up our En-ROADS application within MicroStation. So we're going to click the road apps, the En-ROADS 8.11 application. Click that open. While that's loading, we will eventually open up 3 files within En-ROADS. You'll see my En-ROADS application is at the bottom of the screen. So if that happens to you, just open up your window a little bit bigger. But that probably didn't happen. Yours probably just popped up. But we will open up 3 files within En-ROADS. It will be an XIN file, an ALG file, and a DTM file. Your XIN file is a preference file. And that file is, all of these files will be located within your rotation example project folder. So let's open up one of those. So within En-ROADS, let's go to File, Open. Your XIN file is located within the En-ROADS folder. So let's open up that En-ROADS folder. And there you will see the file with the extension XIN. That's your preference file. And this preference file is used for rural projects. So we're going to open that, and you'll see when you click open, at the bottom of the En-ROADS screen, it says that the file has been opened. And then we're going to move up one level to another folder. The other 2 files are located within the electronic survey folder, so we're going to open up that folder instead of the En-ROADS folder. And that's where your ALG file and your DTM file is located. So first, let's open up your ALG file, open, and you'll see in your En-ROADS window, it says your ALG file is open. Now let's open up the DTM file, open. And now you see it says the DTM file is opened. Then we can close this. And now we're ready to create the profile. So within En-ROADS, we're going to go to Evaluation, Profile, Create Profile, and click that. The first thing that we want to do is check to see which preference is available for creating profiles. So within Preferences, we're going to load the Plan preference. So we're going to click Load, close this, pop up, and you'll see that that preference has automatically set active a surface, and that surface is H001707. So this is your existing surface for this project. Under the Controls folder, we're going to click the Controls folder, and the preference file automatically set elevation and station active. We're going to uncheck that for right now, just because we're doing something out of the ordinary. Normally you would know what high and low elevations you would have and what start and stop elevations you would have, because you would be creating plan and profile sheets. But in this situation, we're acting as if we don't know our elevations and we're just starting to design our project from scratch. So that's why we're unchecking these. And we're just going to press apply. And whenever we press apply, you are going to see in MicroStation it says identify location. So we're going to come into our MicroStation screen and click anywhere, and it's going to create our profile. So just click, and there you see it's created a profile, and we're just going to close this in Inroads and minimize this. And there is our profile. And you'll see, because we unchecked that elevation box, it set the elevations by itself, and the elevations are 180 to 205, and our stations start at 100 plus 00 and ends at 136 plus 00. And if you do a fit view within MicroStation, which is this button, there's your entire profile of your existing surface. So there you go. Created a profile. Congratulations.